How to change your billing cycle in YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss changing your billing cycle in YouTube TV. Currently, YouTube TV primarily offers a monthly billing cycle. There isn't an option to switch to a weekly, quarterly, or annual billing cycle directly within the YouTube TV settings. Let's clarify how the billing works. YouTube TV subscriptions are set up on a recurring monthly billing cycle. When you subscribe, your payment method is charged approximately every 30 days from your initial sign-up date. This date is your billing date. The service is paid for in advance for the upcoming month. There is no built-in feature within your YouTube TV account settings that allows you to change the frequency of your billing, e.g. from monthly to yearly, or to pick a specific day of the month for your billing cycle to occur. Your billing date is determined by the day you initially started your paid subscription after any free trial period. If you need to adjust when you are billed, the only way to indirectly influence this would be to cancel your subscription and then resubscribe on a different date. However, canceling and resubscribing would mean you would lose access to the service at the end of your current billing period and would have to go through the sign-up process again. This is a drastic measure and not recommended simply to change your billing date, as you might lose access to your current recordings depending on the timing. Therefore, in standard circumstances, you cannot change your billing cycle or the specific day of the month you are billed on YouTube TV. The billing is automatically set to be monthly based on your sign-up date. We hope this video clarified how billing cycles work on YouTube TV and the current limitations on changing them. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.